This is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and we are looking at a wheelchair accessible 2016 Chevy Silverado crew cab 4-wheel drive with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. We're here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. We've been in business for over 30 years. We've got a factory there, a warehouse over there with hundreds of vehicles inside of it. God's country here in the farmland. Here in Battle Creek, Michigan, we make these really cool wheelchair accessible handicap vehicles with wheelchair ramps like this one. This is a Chevy Silverado. We also have GMC Sierras and Chevy Suburbans, GMC Yukon XLs. Just with the push of a button here, you can lift the ramp up. Closes right up and you're on your way. You can drive this Chevy Silverado right from your wheelchair. Or